Okay, good morning. So today I had a really interesting dream. I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool to illustrate it with Chat GPT and have it tell a story, kind of like what my vacation viewer does? So it's like, okay, let's go ahead and make that here. So let's get started here. I'll show you all how to make a custom GPT live. I actually have a video already on how to do that in my amazing AI tools. So you want to go to chatgpt.com. So it's wrong thing. What to do, Chrome. Yeah, that should work. Actually, either one. I guess they both take you there. Chatgpt.com and chat.openai.com both take you there. I think. Okay, I guess maybe we're having some issues. Let's see. Do it this way. Got a lot of tabs open. Let me go ahead and start over here. Let's see, where's the close off? Let's try this again here. I'm not sure. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, yeah, maybe I just had too many tabs open. So, okay, now I can go ahead and go create our thing here. So, we want to scroll down to. Wait. Okay, where's the create a custom GPT at now? Okay, maybe they changed things around a little bit. Oh, explore GPTs. I guess maybe is loading in. Okay. Wait. Okay, something's going weird here. Yeah, site's having some trouble. Oh, fine. Open a new tab. I don't know why it's not working right now. Oh, it's thinking, I guess. Okay, nothing like things going wrong on a live stream. So anyway, while we're waiting on that, I guess I had a weird dream this morning. Oh, hi there. Let's see. Oh, I need to put this in dark mode, I guess, so I can see your comment. Let's see. Oh, actually, I don't know if I can do that on the website. I've got it in dark mode on my own thing. Here we go. Now it's working. I don't know why I'm having such issues. And then you go to create here. Oh, I know what I can do, so I can close out it to see your comments or no. Usually have this in dark mode, but I don't know if you can do that from the website. You can do it in the app though. So I'm gonna go to create, and we wanted to describe what it was, what it is. So I want to make a dream viewer. I already searched for it. There's a dream visualizer that just makes an image from the dream, but I want to have it have a 9 by 16 image and So it's easily viewable on the phone, and then narration of the dream, like a storytelling of the dream. So what I did was go to chatgpt.com, click on the sidebar, and then under Explore GPTs, there's a button Create GPT. That's what I did here. I think that's only available to premium members, but I think anybody can run the ones that people made now. So let's see here. Hey there. Amber, no Russian. What? I don't know Russians. Oh, it's not available for Russia, I guess, maybe. Actually, no, I don't play Fortnite. I do play Monopoly Go. I play a little bit. Actually, I've been playing Grounded lately, I guess. Let's see, what other games do I play? I have played No Man's Sky for a while. So, play my own Planetary Settlers from time to time, I guess. I haven't played that for a while, but want to finish that up, though. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Yeah, I make Monopoly Go videos, a lot of strategy videos too. So, yep, let's make our dream viewer GPT. So, I just found a cool way to see the comments now. I can just temporarily close the thing, and if it's got white background, that's how I can see the comments. They need to make it to where you can change the color of your comments in YouTube. I don't see how to do that. So would be really helpful. Or have like a maybe white font with black outline so you can see it no matter what the background is, white, black, or gray, or colorful, or whatever it is. White font with a black background should show up to your black outline. Okay, let me focus here. So Dreamviewer GPT, so we want it to show a 9 by 16 image with the users. Description. Wish it let me talk into this one. I guess actually I may be able to dictate on here. So take a Dreamviewer description, and then what's the next thing? Shows a 9 by 16 image. And then tell a story based on or well, narrate the description in a storytelling fashion. And then if there's like different parts of it, then like maybe it could be done in different parts too. So I guess we want to ask the user. So repeat the process. This should be pretty cool. It's kind of a similar flow to the vacation thing, but it's a little different. I'm creating a new chat GPT, actually, showing you how to create a new GPT. So you go to chatgpt.com, then you select the sidebar, then explore GPTs, and then there's a create tab button. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm making a Dream Viewer GPT. Yep, this is how I made my vacation tool. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we can change the image. Trying to think of something. Okay, maybe clouds. Okay, what is there in a dream? Let's see. Trying to think. Hey, do y'all have any ideas of what a good image for this thing might be? Guess there'd be clouds and then something dreamy or something that you typically dream about. Granted, dreams can be about just about anything. Oh, I know. Well, let's see. I have a better idea. I was just thinking, a bed surrounded by clouds. Maybe a comfortable bed. I should have said to the image of it. Understood. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, yep, I like that. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Now let's go change things up here a little bit. I like that description. So then let's describe the process here. Oh, actually, maybe keeping it simple like that might be good. Let's see how this works. Let's see, I don't have any special files to upload. Let's make sure Dolly's enabled. Yep, the image generation. Doesn't really need web browsing, but it could. I'll go ahead and leave that on. Okay. Well, let's preview it. So, see how this works here. Let's try it with my weird dream. So, this is interesting. I had a dream that, well, actually, let's just do it with a simple test first to make sure it works, and then I'll try it in the app where I can actually speak to it so I can type a lot faster. So, let's see. Trying to remember some other dream I had that was quick to describe and interesting. Well, I do dream that I can fly a lot, so So we used to live in a really old and cool house. It had cedar shingles and a metal roof. Let's see how this goes. Okay, well, it's not, it didn't start with the image, so let's go ahead and do that here. So it's explicitly taught what to do. Yeah, welcome back. Yep, we're witnessing the birth of Dreamviewer. This is gonna be cool, I think. It's cool. It's almost like this is similar to coding right here, at least the steps here, but you can just tell it in plain English what to do, and it'll do that. See, I actually like the way it said that up here better. See if I can scroll. Narrate the dream in a story-based fashion. Okay, let's see if this works better now. Okay. Let's see if I hope I copied him. I hope I copied that text. No. Actually, let's just go and do this. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, man. And then let's have it read it. Oh, I can't in here. Okay. So, yeah, let's go ahead and publish this and try it out in the app. Yeah, I'll try it to. I'm gonna make it link viewable right now. That man, that's a cool image. Actually, I think I'm gonna download that. That's pretty cool. Okay, now. Okay, how do I get out of this? Oops. Oh man. Okay, well, it's in my list here. It should be. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't just lose it. Let's see, it should be in my list. Yeah, it's being a little wonky today. My GPTs. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's publish this now to go ahead and hit create. And anyone with a link to begin with. And we're gonna try it out now. So this is cool how quick we can do this, and we'll try to visualize the dream I had this morning. So let's go try it in the Chat GPT app now. It's funny. Here's where I was using my 16 by 9 thumbnail creator to make the thumbnail for the video. So okay, let's try. I can show you the prompt for that. So actually, I'm curious if I can have it read this out. Okay, no, I can't have it read my message out. Okay. So, anyway, that was me making the thumbnail for this video. Okay, now let's go back and try my Dream Viewer, and now at least I can see y'all's comments here because I put this in dark mode. So, Dream Viewer, here we go. I can talk to it here, so this is cool. Okay. That should be really cool. So I had a dream where I was. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit. Wait, uh-oh. What just happened there? Okay, let's try that. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm excited about this. Oh, that's awesome. That's a little creepy, but that's awesome. That's kind of like what was in my dream. Whoa, that's awesome.
In your dream, you found yourself in a sleek, modern kitchen. You discovered an extraordinary ability, phasing in and out of solid objects. As you walked through a counter, your body appeared ghostly, fading in and out, and you felt a mix of surprise and intrigue. Was there anything that happened next in your dream?
That's awesome. Yep, there we go. And then, yep, let me narrate this thing here. Yes, it works. This is awesome. Oh man. So I can share my dreams with y'all a lot easier now. This is cool. Well, on me, actually, I described that wrong. Yeah, it's not really the right description. Oh, let's say giving me chairs and heavy tables. Let's do that. And the funny part was at the end, he asked me to phase out. Oh, there we go. It's a little different than what I dreamt, but similar, very similar.
When you phased back in, you felt a surge of immense strength. In the same modern kitchen, someone started handing you heavy tables and chairs. With effortless ease, you lifted them, astonishing your helper with your newfound power. Did anything else happen in your dream?
He should be holding them. So okay, kind of messed up the image a little bit there, but anyway, I think I had a shirt on, but anyway, let's see. Trying to think how to describe that. Okay. This is pretty funny. I woke up laughing from this. Oh, that is very similar to what, yeah, that is very similar to my dream. And I woke up laughing at that point. That's awesome.
He asked you to phase back out, and after confirming he was sure, you did. As you began to fade, the heavy tables and chairs you were holding crashed down, shattering a glass china cabinet. The scene turned chaotic as the items fell and glass broke, leaving your helper looking regretful and worried. Did anything else happen in your dream?
Oh, let's see if see if it even illustrates me waking up laughing. Let's see if it'll do that. See what it does there. All right, then. Oh, didn't read that right. So, yeah, I guess I made this to show the dreams, not the wake up part. But there we go. Yeah.
You woke up in your cozy bedroom, laughing at the strange yet amusing dream you just had. The feelings from the dream lingered, blending reality with the surreal experience you had moments before. Is there anything else you would like to add or explore further about your dream?
Okay, so I guess that was it then. Does anybody have any improvements they'd like me to make? And it seems like I think it's ready for prime time now, so I'm gonna go back and actually publish this here. So pass this test with flying colors, I think, except for I guess one of the images is like that image is a little off, but it's probably not much I can do to fix that, and that's probably gonna improve with as the image generation capability continues to improve. So let's go back to the go back to this guy here, and I'm gonna update it to share it with the world here. Let's see. See if any categories. Kind of fits under Dolly, I guess. Kind of. Others pretty decent too. It seems like it actually puts it in a good category usually. I'll put it under Dolly because it is Dream Viewer, and then there's also a narration piece to it too. And there we go. Now y'all can go to the GPT store and search Dream Viewer. Hey, does anybody have a dream they want me to visualize while I'm here? You test it that way. You could type it into chat and I'll speak it, I guess. Here, actually, let's see if there is anybody here. Yeah. So, yeah, let me know if you have any dreams or anything you want me to test. I guess I'll test the. I could go ahead and test the prompts that it comes with. Well, I tested that one already. Let's try this one. Oh, actually, it just messed up and didn't do the image. Interesting. I've had that problem with my I've had that problem with my GPT or my vacation GPT on occasion as well. Let's go back to configure. Let's just say make sure the image is generated. Let's see. I'm trying to think. Let's try to put that here. This is experimental a little bit. May end up generating it twice here. Let's see. Still not working right. Maybe if you tell it a little more. Man, what's up with this? Okay. Maybe that the image generation thing is having trouble right now too. What is that? That's weird. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's test all the other prompts real quick.
You stood there, gazing at the hidden door and the staircase leading down into the unknown. The air seemed to thicken with mystery, beckoning you to explore further. Did anything happen next in your dream?
Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Just concerned about, not concerned, but I'm just trying to make sure it does the image each time.
There you are, drifting serenely within the spaceship, enveloped by the soft blue glow of the control panels. The vast cosmos stretches beyond the observation windows, a boundless sea of stars that captivates the senses. Did anything happen next in your dream?
Wonder if I should. What do y'all think? Do y'all think I should take out the? Did anything happen next in your dream? Or do y'all think I should leave that in? Let's go ahead and test the last one here. Like how it generated those all based on the description. Oh, that's cool.
In your dream, you found yourself in a lush, vibrant forest filled with towering trees and colorful flowers. The air was thick with the scent of pine and blooming flora. As you walked deeper into the forest, you stumbled upon a clearing where a group of animals had gathered. To your amazement, they were engaged in a lively conversation. A wise old owl perched on a branch, speaking in a deep, resonant voice, while a mischievous fox listened intently, its ears twitching. Nearby, a graceful deer and a playful squirrel exchanged stories, their voices blending harmoniously with the sounds of the forest. I'll create an image of this scene for you. One moment, please.
Now, if it's adding more details, enough you don't add many details, I guess it's got to add some. So let me go back and see if I can test it with my. I'll retest with my old prompt here. See if we can just copy that, and we'll do this again and make sure it's working right. Well, it kind of messed up on the image again.
In your dream, you possessed a remarkable ability to phase in and out of reality. As you phased out, your body became ethereal, allowing you to pass effortlessly through solid objects. You found yourself in a familiar kitchen, the comforting scents and sounds of a home cooked meal surrounding you. As you phased out, you stepped forward and walked straight through the solid kitchen counter. The sensation was surreal, like moving through a dense fog. You could see the inner workings of the counter, as if it were made of glass.
Okay, yeah, now it's adding some more details, so let's go back. Let's go back and edit this some more here. So it's actually pretty easy to make, and then it's a little more challenging to get it to do, like to tweak it to do what you want. let's just do that. I do want it to be in the, well, story-based fashion. Already should accomplish that. Like, tell it in story-based form. So, okay, let's see. Maybe I'll put the step here to ensure the image was generated. See how this works. Okay, hopefully I'll fix those two issues we were seeing there. Okay, where's the update button? Yep. Let's try this now. Let's paste in our prompt and see how this works. Okay, doesn't entirely look like he's walking through the counter there this time, but let's see.
In your dream, you discovered a remarkable ability to phase in and out of solidity. As you moved through the kitchen, you effortlessly passed through the counter, your form shifting between tangible and ethereal. The modern kitchen, with its bright atmosphere and sleek white cabinets, contrasted with the surreal nature of your phasing ability. What happened next in your dream?
Okay, now it's back to yeah, I think it's pretty good now. Let's iterate through the four things that are in there again. Let's just do that.
In your dream, you found yourself soaring high above a bustling city, the buildings below glistening in the sunlight like jewels. The wind rushed past you, carrying the sounds of honking cars, distant chatter, and the hum of urban life. Skyscrapers stretched towards the sky, their windows reflecting the brilliant blue above, while parks and streets unfolded beneath you like a living map. Was there anything that happened next in your dream?
Oh
I will
man.
now create an image of this scene.
Oh man, that's awesome. That is awesome. Man. Okay, so I think we got a winner now. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of the test here. I may actually add that step in my virtual vacation GPT. Actually, yeah, while we're live here, I think I may do that. Excuse me. Let's test with the other prompts and make sure that works now. Oh man. Okay, still. Guess we still haven't fixed that problem entirely. I don't know what else to do to totally fix that. Okay, so that didn't entirely work. Maybe I could downvote that because it didn't show the image. Yeah, just do that, I guess. Let's try that one again. It seems to have trouble with that one. Okay, here we go. Oh, it did sideways, but let's see. Well, did the image. Let's test the other ones. I guess I'm not too thrilled with that result. It's not horrible, but let's see. Okay, now it's asking me more details, which is good. Okay, I'm okay with that. So I gotta make something up. Let's try that. So I'm just making that up here. And that's reasonable because there wasn't much detail provided, and it's supposed to stay true to the stuff, so it did good there, actually. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Think I'm gonna save that. Yep, I like that. Okay. So, yep, I'd say that's a successful test. Oh, okay, yep, that I like that. So make up this dream. I do like that it asks for more details if you don't provide enough. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The fox is a little big though, but
In your dream, you found yourself in a lush green forest. Sunlight filtered through the trees, casting a magical glow all around. Sitting on a rock was a fox with a wise, knowing expression, while a curious bird perched on a nearby branch. You talked to them as if it was the most natural thing in the world. Was there anything that happened next in your dream?
it's pretty cool. Do you have any thoughts on anything to change in here? Or I was debating on whether or not to ask if there's anything that happened next in there. I think it's probably best to keep that in there. It may get annoying after a little while though if there's a bunch of things though, but thinking maybe I should test this with like a dream I had a few days ago. I guess there's more of a nightmare. I guess, but it's interesting that in this case it's like a video game trying to survive the tsunami, basically. So it actually wasn't entirely a nightmare. I usually have, well, not usually, but I often have nightmares about tsunamis. So. So this is interesting. That'd be a good test for us. Let's do that. But let's go back and publish this again. I think it since I've been updating it, I think it's doing some stuff there. Okay. Yep. Now we're gonna make that available to everyone again. Now let's see. So I'll talk to it about that here. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
You found yourself on a sunlit beach, the atmosphere eerily like a vibrant video game. Suddenly, a colossal tsunami loomed on the horizon, the waves towering ominously. People around you ran in panic, the sky darkening with storm clouds, and the ocean becoming a wild, menacing force. Despite the terror, there was an odd sense of familiarity, as if you knew that if you failed to escape, you'd simply respawn and try again. Did anything else happen in the dream after that?
Oh, cool. Yep. This is cool.
You rushed into a grand hotel as the tsunami approached, the atmosphere still surreal and video game like. Inside, chaos reigned as people frantically ascended a grand staircase, trying to escape the encroaching waters. The hotel's elegant interior was in disarray, furniture displaced, and water beginning to flood the lower floors, adding to the sense of urgency. What happened next in your dream? As you scrambled up the grand staircase, you suddenly tripped and fell. The tsunami's waters surged forward, overtaking you with a forceful rush. The elegant interior of the hotel was rapidly flooding, the chaos amplified by the surreal, video game like atmosphere. Despite the panic and the rising waters, there was still a sense of inevitability about what would come next. Did anything else happen in your dream?
It's kind of like a video game, so it wasn't really all that scary, which is interesting.
After being overtaken by the tsunami, you respawned at the entrance of the hotel, facing the approaching waves once again. The scene retained its surreal, video game like quality, with bright, exaggerated features and an atmosphere of urgency. The menacing ocean and gathering storm clouds set the stage for another attempt to escape the impending disaster. Is there anything more that happened in your dream?
Oh, and as the tsunami started flooding the hotel too. But see if it actually gets that part. Oh yeah, it did actually, even though I didn't specify it. That was kind of implied, but it got it.
Determined to escape this time, you ran up the grand staircase, gripping the rails tightly. The hotel was in chaos, the lower floors rapidly flooding as the tsunami's waters surged in. The bright, exaggerated colors and video game like atmosphere added to the surreal urgency of the scene, with people still panicking around you as you climbed. What happened next in your dream?
Oh, I don't know if that's a good way to describe it, but it's like right behind me, rather. Right behind me would have been better. I think you'll understand that. Man, this is cool. I'm basically reliving my dream. That's cool.
With determination, you climbed the last set of stairs, approaching the roof of the hotel. The tsunami's waters surged just behind you, adding to the urgency and danger. The scene remained surreal, with bright, exaggerated colors heightening the sense of impending disaster. Chaos ensued below as you neared the top, focused on reaching safety. Did anything else happen in your dream? Finally, you made it to the roof of the hotel, safe at last. From this vantage point, you gazed out over the flooded city, where only the tops of buildings remained visible above the water. The scene was surreal, with bright, exaggerated colors and a dark, stormy sky. Despite the chaos below, a sense of awe and relief washed over you as you looked out at the transformed landscape. Did anything more happen in your dream?
Granted, my car would probably be washed well away, so that was kind of interesting. Yep, there we go. Then I woke up.
As the tsunami abated, you descended to the flooded parking lot. The waters had begun to recede, leaving debris and wreckage scattered around. Approaching your partially submerged car, the atmosphere was calm yet eerie, with the bright, exaggerated colors still lending a surreal, video game like quality to the scene. The sky was clearing up, signaling the end of the storm. Did anything else happen in your dream?
And that was it. And that was pretty close. I woke up. That was cool. Okay, so this is out there now for y'all to use. It's you go to chatgpt.com and then explore GPTs and Dream Viewer. You can visualize your own dreams. And did y'all have any dream you wanna try here? Feel free to share it in the comments and then I can narrate it for you here. Or you can go try it yourself. So this is a cool experience. So give y'all like a minute to respond, I guess. Or actually, if you can respond quickly, it's like, yes, I have something to share, and then I'll give you longer. And if I don't get that soon, give like 15 seconds or so for just a yes. And if I don't, then yeah, feel free to like and subscribe. Have a great day. And there's the birth of Dreamviewer. There's illustration of two of my dreams I recently had. Okay, thank y'all for watching and have a great day. And have fun with Dreamviewer.